What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video.
I know, but okay. You guys saw the title of today's video. This guy's already so freaking excited. I know, okay. He's so excited because I freaking brought his vest out, and he knows his vest, it means work. He's freaking excited right now because he knows that we're going. For a lot of the people who were like, I know PQ posted about us, our training and stuff, and I saw a lot of people in the comments and they were like, oh, poor dog, like let the dog be a dog.
He's a dog, trust me.
This is your hardcore proof that this is a working dog.
Look, he grabbed his ball, he's good. He has his whole backyard to himself with his beautiful view and his beautiful siblings. He's fine, trust me.
He loves working. You guys could see I brought out his vest and he immediately wants to work. These type of dogs, these are working dogs, and especially with his type of high energy, it's really good to put him into something like this, so that way he doesn't tear up your whole backyard. He doesn't tear up
Not
the whole
only
house.
that, it's our protection. And you guys commented that you guys wanted to see Kratos dog training, so me and Brittany are gonna film that today. We are also gonna be going to pick up the letter to say if it's a boy or a girl for our baby. We're not gonna read it. We're gonna give it to the gender keeper, which is Cash Money Ray, our manager, my longtime friend since the sandbox. We're gonna go. We're gonna take you guys along with us. We're gonna pick up the letter. We're gonna drop it off to Cash. We're gonna go to dog training, and we're gonna show you guys a full 24 hours of what it is to train an attack dog from Call of Duty. But he is still a puppy, guys. His training is not intense right now. So, oh, you want your ball? You want your ball? You want your ball? Sit. Go get the motherfucking ball then. Where's your belly? They see the belly. They see the belly.
I look smaller today, honestly, but it's probably because of what I'm wearing.
I feel like you're gonna have a small belly.
Yeah, I hope I do.
Oh, look at that belly. Oh, the baby can hear us now.
I hope I do.
Let me say some sense of thought.
Sense of thought?
Hold the camera. Your dad's the best. You hear that, baby?
So you guys, I know you guys are probably wondering like, oh, what's gonna happen with the dogs and the baby and like what's gonna go on. And I saw a couple people that were like, please don't ever leave your baby around the dogs and this and that. Guys, I promise you, I'm not that type of person to be naive and to ever leave my child with these dogs. My dogs, I love my dogs so very much, but I am not a naive person, and I would never leave a child unattended with these type of dogs. I do know Dobermans do have a little bit of a tendency to flip around kids. I've seen a lot of people that are like, my dog has been in the family for so many years. My dog, I never thought my dog would ever do this. You never know. You never ever know. Dogs have boundaries, and the way that dogs correct puppies is the same way that a dog will try to correct a baby, but it's completely different because
babies have softer skin.
It's not the same thing. It's completely different. It's animal world versus human world. So I'm already knowing.
He lost his ball. Baby, you want to explain what we're going to be doing on this side?
Yes. So on the side of our house right here, you guys could see we have a lot of room. We do have our trash cans here right now, but we are going to be moving these onto our other side of the house, and we are going to be actually making a whole doggy area.
There's gonna be a door right here, so whenever you open the door,
not a cage gate.
There's gonna be. I don't want the cages to block the window.
Yeah, so we're moving it down there.
Right here. These are gonna be gone, so it's gonna be all this. We might not take out the concrete, but we might change these rocks into grass, just so like the dogs can like go outside and still be outside here most of the time, and we don't want them shitting on the side anymore right there.
It does get hot out here, so we're gonna be putting misters, we're gonna be putting shade, but I would still never leave my dogs outside.
AC.
Yeah, we're still not gonna leave the dogs outside if it's like, I think the highest it's gotten out here is like 114. So I would never leave them outside. We don't want them to sleep outside at night. We've been having a lot of mountain lions and coyotes, so I don't want my dogs to ever get in a freaking fight with those. We are gonna end up moving the dogs to the gym room. So it's still gonna be the gym, but it's gonna be half dog room for them to sleep at night.
Everything's gonna be monitored, guys. Like, look at this doofus. He's already in the shade. He is smart. He is using his brain.
I think that when you start treating your dogs differently when a baby comes is when your dog retaliates and your dog becomes very jealous. So if you guys know us, we spoil our dogs, we love our dogs so much, but we still have boundaries with our dogs. We love them and we do spoil them, but not so much in a way where they think that they can walk all over us. We still are dominant, and they know when
we
to
use
be
our
submissive.
voices. Don't ever hit your dog, just maybe raise your voice if you need to.
I'm telling you, a voice works perfectly.
Let me show them real quick.
He's not gonna know right now. He's playing with his ball. No, don't do it, because he's not doing anything wrong.
What the fuck are you doing playing with your toy without your dad? Also guys, if you guys are new to the channel, subscribe, hit the post notification, give this video a big thumbs up. Follow my car YouTube channel if you guys don't know. I do POV driving, POV washing my cars. Soon there will be the full car collection tour. The Vet I ordered an exhaust system for. The M4 is 900 horsepower, 800 to the wheel. Today we're taking the Cadillac Escalade because where else are we gonna put this darn dog? How do you feel this is gonna be your mommy mobile?
No, it's too big for me.
We changed the 4G caps to red. I miss the white. I don't know. Comment down below, guys. Eesh. Boom. Yeah, we're good. We post daily on Snapchat if you guys want to follow us on Snapchat as well. GAR2 official, GAR2 official. And babe, what is yours?
Mine is Brittany official, but the O
Is a
in
zero.
official is a 0.
Links are in the description. We daily vlog. We'll probably be baby shopping separately from our YouTube on there. So go ahead and follow us on Snapchat. And I will be posting Instagram reels on my own, Garik2 official. You guys already know the deal. Go follow me on that as well. Quick little pit stop, picking up what the gender is, but we're not gonna know.
Should we peep it?
No. Comment down below what team you guys are on. Team B or Team G, which is Team Boy or Team Girl. It's opposite. It's crazy. I'm gonna be Team B for the one time. But after, when the pranks are back, you already know what team it is.
It's right here. Gender.
Open it.
No, I can't.
Screw the gender reveal, right, Grado? It's all in that
It's
note.
literally right here. It's in our hand. It's right here. Oh my gosh. Even though you're Team B, what do you deep down think it's going to be?
Me? I'm confused. I don't know what it is, I swear.
But what did you have a dream that the powder was?
Pink.
I had a dream that...
Two Britneys would be insane.
I had a dream that the ultrasound was a girl.
You guys are just gonna have to wait.
Our family members think it's a girl.
Ruggy's Team Boy texted me.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. We're gonna see.
You would be such a great girl dad, though. You'd be you're gonna be a great dad, like regardless. But I know that you would be an amazing girl dad, an amazing. I would literally hear Garik playing Tea House, or
Oh yeah, you already know. I'm putting on a dress real quick for my daughter.
I already know he would.
But today we're gonna be training. Where do you go?
Alright, you guys. So we are here at the park, and we are gonna be doing something different today, which I think is really cool because it puts Kratos in a different position and
Predicament.
it just puts him in a different position. Me and Garik are gonna go by the bench. We're gonna act like, you know, we're just at the park sitting down, and the decoy, which is a person that Kratos bites, the decoy is gonna start acting suspicious, start walking back and forth, and you know, we want to initially see how Kratos reacts to that to see if he's aware, which I know he is for sure. I know he's gonna do super good.
Where do we set up the camera?
Anywhere, we'll find a good spot. I'm really excited, so we're gonna see how he reacts, and then we're gonna get in the car after he bites. We're gonna get into the car, we're gonna move to the other side of the park, we're gonna get out, and he's gonna act like, oh, okay, you know, I did my job and this and that, but then he's gonna have to do it again.
You ready, boys? He's such a handsome boy. He's such a handsome boy. Hey, excuse me, lady. Can I touch your butt? Vin dog.
Yeah. I know.
He loves Vinny.
You'll notice he keeps looking at me.
And me. Why is it all you?
It's because he knows I'm
Yeah, I should have never came. I should have stayed home and played COD. You guys go. This is the spot. Delta Canine Academy. They're mostly on Belgians. And they said Kratos is the best Doberman they've ever worked with. So the decoy's right there. Vinny's acting like me.
job, bud.
Don't you dare touch my dog ever again. Good boy. Good boy. All right, our kill streak's over. Oh, give us kisses, give us kisses.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
I've seen a couple people and they're like, oh, they always ask us about the way that we train Kratos, and they're like, oh, isn't this the reason why he, like, Garrett got bit in the face? And I think you guys confuse Scar and Kratos because they're both black Dobermans, but they're completely different dogs. It's so different having a dog that already went from having a pretty traumatic experience and then now trying to...
It's those people that don't know
him.
Scar's whole story that be saying shit, like...
And then just having this guy that has no traumatic experience, like none at all.
Yes, we got him as a baby, and babied him, he's your baby, but then he's trained to kill on command.
You wouldn't expect it either, because he's like
He's
goofy.
so nice, he's so goofy. He looks scary, but...
No, he's literally the goofiest dog ever. My favorite thing about this training is the fact that it didn't change his personality
Yeah,
at
that's
all.
one thing we were...
Scared about.
Yeah, we told him, like, if it's gonna change his personality, we won't even do this. But he's still a goofy boy! We're about to go to the second spot right now. So what they're gonna do is right when we get out the car, they're gonna rush us. So we're on a lovely day at the park with our dog. Should I hop out so I can get a recording? I'm gonna try to hop out. Wait, let me hop out. I think they're gonna get out from the left or from this side.
Yeah, I need this side because it's all good.
Okay. I'm hide behind this tree. Good boy, buddy. Back up.
Go all the way in the back. All the way in the back. All the way in the back. Go all the way.
Okay, to be clear, guys, this was his first time doing this. Then you want to explain?
Yeah, so today was just pretty much about how the dog acts in an uncomfortable environment, in a new environment with a new decoy. Again, everything was done really cold. We didn't really warm up the dog or let him know he was gonna bite. The guy just sprung out of nowhere to make sure he's on his toes at all times, no matter what it is. So A+ for today. We're gonna do more of these and make sure like he's on his toes everywhere we
Yeah.
go.
He did great.
Yeah, he did amazing. He did amazing.
Good job, buddy.
Exactly.
We're gonna
Give
get
him
you a bone.
double today or something.
Yeah, double.
Alrighty, guys, we are dropping it off. What do you think? What do you freaking think?
I don't know.
Tell
Hey.
them what you told me earlier.
Kratos, what do you think?
Tell them what you told me earlier when we were driving.
What did I do? I don't remember.
Yeah,
I
Garrett
do a
was
lot of
driving.
things.
He was driving. He was like, I think it's a girl.
We're waiting for manager Cash right now. What do you think it is, babe?
I always pictured myself a boy mom, and the reason why I always pictured myself a boy mom is because I think I practically raised my brother Gunner, so I think that's why I always saw him. I always saw myself as a boy mom. If it is a boy, I think I'll be the most shocked because of how my symptoms have been.
Whoa,
Gender keeper.
shit done got serious real quick.
Why?
Oh man, let me see the envelope.
No, I don't want to give it to you
Oh
yet.
shit. Oh, moment of truth, huh?
Just tell me what it is.
Oh my god.
Hey, attack him.
Hey, what do you guys think it is?
I don't know, bro.
Garrick said earlier he thinks it's a girl.
Alright, what do you think it is?
I always pictured myself as a boy mom, but I think it's a girl.
Well, I've been saying it's a girl since day one. So, moment of truth, I'm gonna find out.
No, you said in the beginning you're team boy, and then after
I'm in the middle.
you saw me throwing up so much, and you're like, I think it's a girl.
I don't know.
Give it up.
I don't want to! Fucking scared. Don't open it!
Don't open it. Don't open it.
Don't open it in front of us, because you're.
Don't open it in front of anyone.
Your poker
Okay,
face.
can I go to my car and open it and I'll come back?
No,
No,
your poker
what
face.
the heck?
Your
This
poker
guy.
face is not good. For the gender reveal, me and Garrick are. Well, I'm gonna be wearing silver. Garrick's gonna be wearing silver, and Manager Cash has to wear white. He was planning on wearing a full pink
I
outfit.
was gonna wear the hardest pink outfit ever, but
You can't wear pink if you're the gender keeper.
you know, all white it is. It's all good.
What do you guys think it is? Let us know.
Alrighty, you guys, we are done for the day. We didn't vlog right now, but we just went to the mall after we dropped off the envelope to Manager Cash.
Got myself a nice little shirt.
Cash
He
knows
knows right now. He knows in his brain.
Can't believe
He's even
he knows.
tripping. He's like telling me about it. Stay tuned, guys. Comment down below what you guys think it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys were asking in the comments to bring you guys along while Kratos trains. So we were literally gonna do a whole documentary on him when he was a baby.
Oh yeah, we had it.
Up. My TTD ass freaking bought a SD card from Amazon and everything got corrupted.
Horrible. You guys, we started off from when we first took Kratos to Delta. When we first got there to Delta, the dogs were barking and Kratos literally shit himself. No, like
In my hand.
he literally shit himself in Garek's hand because the dogs were barking and he was a puppy.
Hey baby.
And then
Don't ever poop yourself.
and then we started recording like every time that we went, and he progressively got more confident, and just like it was so crazy seeing that transition. And then I don't know what happened. We were recording and everything was perfectly fine, and then all of a sudden like we couldn't record anymore, and the whole
corrupted.
freaking SD card said it
Guys,
couldn't read.
I
It
was
was
so
corrupted. So we're so pissed. We put in all that freaking work getting all of those clips in, and then just
Maybe we can recover it. We'll see. But
I don't know.
I don't think we
It's
could.
gone.
But if you guys enjoyed this, let us know. We'll do more of these.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I
Give
feel
a big thumbs up.
I feel so good to be back in a more proper way.
Mhm.
I feel like when we were recording before, there was so many things that we like wanted to talk about or just say, or
Yes.
we kind
were
of had to be
limited.
a little, yeah, we were so limited, so we had to be a little bit more exclusive, and it still didn't feel right.
Mhm.
But now I feel like we're back, and I feel so freaking good.
We're
I
back
feel
and we're
so
better.
good. Yes, so good, babe.
See you guys at the gender reveal.
Peace out.